le track. Otherwise, molweni, the Ngosi Nation. As you can see today, alipetanga indwana pretty boy. Pretty boy. Except unini chatting booth. Except why hapo komo Joe? Where have you been, bro?
Man, boy, man, corner, man.
Oh,
Disconnect.
Okay, that disconnect.
Corner, boy, man.
Oh, to say, oh, pretty boy.
Ay, pretty. The corner, boy, man. Bike, say, land your bound. It's cut. Yeah, boy, like, since it's like, I feel like it's a glad age you go back.
Ay, congratulations.
Age. I was saying to you, man, about pizza, see, it's cut, man. Ay, man.
Unawacha nje kuthi. Okay. Na siyaqala ngone namhlanje uyone akekho so kuzungqolo back so thul alizolaga I promise. This is love.
Hlala ngapha ngobisi. So yima kandive faka. Ngibafaka bahlala lapha. Iyasuka kanjani?
Wewe. Okay. Ndina pretty boy yakho. Oh. Yima. Suka mana sitha leqa yakho. Yes, asimufaso TV. Uyone.
Yiza.
Elansi ngcola man.
Ngiyangcola ngapha.
MPAYIPHELI has gifted 1 sub to viewers.
Ngapha sasa 1.
Khala.
Hala. Usondele man.
Ngaba bitches.
Right.
Sedela lapha wena.
On.
Say, what you're doing,
Hi, ngoyike.
Hi.
Hi.
Njani?
Right wena.
Right now. Come on.
Okay.
Mtambana na.
Think akhulu.
Akhulu. Yazi zona zakho soft. Ngathi ujendile.
Ngcola bras ngapho man.
Ngathi ngumlo jendile. So like akhule uhlala phi? Like
Like ngoko kanini.
Elulike
since you like.
Camera pass.
Ngitsho ithi kanje wena ngibhekele ngapha. Wena swindla kanje. Yahlala.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so yena ne.
So sijoin camera kanini siyajonga.
So like I pick up man, like where you from?
Like apha ngihlala ePark.
Bar.
Yeah.
Okay, ikhaya.
Sukimont.
Monti. Oh, I zami na Monti. Monti like ndihamba ngayo ngingathi like indawo fast life okanye like
Nandi.
kumani ne busy bumnandi for like okay no it's fine so like since it's like what do you like to do when on a daily basis like on your free time
Yaphuza too.
yaphuza yeah straight like that
Now yes, man. Yes.
Bufa kuneroho sela
Say because ixesha elinintsi soloko sibhizi siyafunda.
Yeah.
Chance sifumanayo ba. Sonwala.
oh I'll go for mine like okay so whatever like since it's on your free time kuphuza qha benza
Ndihlale. Bani phumanga ndiyosela ndihlale endlini ndisimamele.
yeah uyajola yo
Sure.
uyajola intsini umuntu wakho fonini like is it cool with that
Andimoya umntu nje. Ndiyajola ne but
Akho bro.
ngixabisana.
yo ay
Andimamele tsho ngxake.
Yeah.
ne uyiraskelo nantona yam
Thanda ukonwaba.
ubuxabisile okay no hayi
Thanda ukonwaba shwe ngizonwabisa.
okay andakuva so ke ngoku like in terms of like lo mntu wakho right ne Ndiyanderstand uba azisanga ngaye ngoku yabo and noba awumhoyanga apha khoyo yabo
Ngandani bani lapha.
akayani uba ulapha okay I wonder so ndazi ndashaya apha andiziqhelanga
Iba sasikhe sathetha komuntu.
Ah,
P. Yeah, zasidibene.
P.
Thetha.
Le mas como?
sake sabonana nje
Ngibona.
it was just a quick
Umfuni.
ewe wena ubani ongavuni ewe like ndandibona like a girl nje omnana omhle qha so I thought I should just go and introduce myself but only to find out like you are friends with my friends
Who are your friends?
abonini
Hayi.
wazibani
Wayazi ba wazi mina?
Ndamxelela kaloku ndimazi like uqala kwam umbona nani-living room no
Kanti ngekho mwazi
Ongekho
njani
yena.
mina.
kaloku ndiyayazi like kwezinye indawo ndiyabona uba ndisiloko then ndathi ndazitshomi yakho ke bo
Wathi ngibantshwe ngini.
yes wabonisa
mm
uyangalamisa sidibana
So you really send him.
I only are recent man when was
No.
it 2 weeks back
yeah
Really send most.
Okay, when I see what do you want to know about this guy?
yaba okay man xa ndithethe kosasiqala udibana nam ndambona mayibona indlela efana yayibona umfana
Uthikele njalo naye.
Uthe umfana hayi uthe umfana uthe umfana yabo then man qha kaloku
ingxaki wamana abantu man elaa xesha yeah that's the thing but like since utsho satibane phi eKawash mos lana semfuleni satibane eKawash so qha besithi uba hayi man yawazi ama-cheat and all of that
Yeah.
okay
bitches
bitches because one was a picture of bitches man
thina sishume sensifohlala
Awulinyusile volume nje.
thina abavakali
Ngikwazi enough. Ndiyazi.
Ngitheleza ngazi nyamuntu.
sineshiya
hey
Okay, so you know like once bafuna uyazi ngomshito.
yajola
mna
Eh.
no not at the moment
awujoli
andijoli
so ufuna ujoli
ndifuna
English.
ndifuna nje uminglisha for now because like le nto ndiphuma kuyo ibinde man so andinqamanga
awungxamanga okay hayi ke ndiyafuna ndiyacela umfazi loo nto
hayi no andijoli man masikhathi
okay
but ke I'm open to like since you like since if you're interested if well interested I'm also open to that yeah yeah
Now actually like what are you looking for?
Kuyajolo kodwa umhoya ngomuntu wakho. Bayibali.
so ibali
Because- because wandihoyanga like jolo
ima so yintoni uyenzayo kanje nalomfana like in your terms
nje like okay ndiyamthanda ne
sure
yeah but andiyazele kanjani
Like cousin
ngathi
Wena msobo.
ntole
Wena that thing leyikhangelayo.
thina andiyazi kubona laa nto xa ndisoloko nixabana yonke laa nto then andisamhoyanga ngoku like akusafani nakuqala mandithethe loo nto akusafani nakuqala kum naye
phelile lapho
Yeah. Kanye.
yehla
Yehla,
iye
oh.
yehla
Okay. Yabona jonga kunobana kungena abantu by-1 into yabo.
yeah okay
Then ngizohamba ngibane choose umshito. Then shake ne-1. So I think xesha lakho lichayile. Kawuzafuna uthetha?
ndi-right
Wena?
handi right
Okay. It's fine. Because after 5 minutes of making comments, yeah, I was so busy.
Niya apa niya bubudel. Ngol.
Hey,
Hello.
njani?
Siyaphila.
Sonenza
Zonela.
No, wena sendela kanje.
ngizahamba.
No.
Yeah?
Oh, it's fine. Like ndifuna umjonga ebusweni. Hi.
Hello.
Alright.
Siyaphila.
Right now. No man. Ndicela ubuze ngubani.
Ngupel.
Velma.
Yeah.
Okay, like that the full name kanye.
Pelso.
Aneva.
Pelso.
Also.
Yeah.
You have beautiful eyes, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, you have beautiful eyes. I think I'll probably get lost in those eyes or something. No, I didn't see him, but teach him some music more.
Okay, good to know you. Good to know you.
Yeah, I know. So, like, where are you from?
Like originally,
Yeah, originally.
because Eastern Cape, Kofiwa.
Gothenburg.
Yes.
Okay, okay. I actually also have family pie, Gothenburg.
Or P. Kofiwa.
And it does actually land, but in cousin, it's like the cousin.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright.
So, now originally wasn't
Engqo, oh, ndiyakubona Engqo. Alright.
we talk same as Celine.
Ebaselini for real.
For real?
Yeah.
But I would steal your heart though. I wouldn't mind. Now then, Tom Camden is here. I would probably steal your heart though.
Kanzami. Kanzami.
Like, okay, like, enough with the corny jokes, né? No, I'm just saying enough with me, but a joke. But on a serious note, like, what do you look for when, let's say, right now?
Yo, I think andikhangela mix.
Okay, I didn't why? Like, why is it that it's why? If I could ask.
Hayi andiyazi. But I don't know much. Andikhangela ntoni else. Andiyazi.
But are you seeing someone though?
No.
Not that this kind of woman.
Hmm?
Not in woman.
Yeah, I'm not.
Not
Yeah.
okay, no, that's cool. That's cool. It's even cool to me. Yeah, also that at least yes, but I know free. I'm also free, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah.
you sure?
I'm sure.
Alright.
And 100%.
Alright.
100%.
Okay, okay.
But you know, so like when you like, what do you look for like in a car? Let's say, what's your deal breaker in a car?
Little break.
Yeah.
Cheating.
Cheating.
Yeah.
So, awunangabe umfana like ayiphuma, let's say ngehlala namachita. Kubona masiba khona la nto yoba oh soloko semachiteni ubone na ukomleni, are you like
Not all, but anangxaki yoba uhlale namajita. As long as unexesha lam, that's fine.
that's fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you comfortable like in a space of, let's say for example, umjita wakho uhleli nawo amajiteni?
Hleli nami emajiteni.
Like let's say soloko ehleli nawo amajiteni, ndenza umzekelo, would you be like comfortable with spaces ezinjalo?
Oh, go emajiteni.
Like akhona amajita anjalo, I'm just saying like in general.
But like ayongxakileyo ne, but not all. Like once in a while, you know.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, no, I hear you. Do you think when we love a girl? Like,
Oh, of course.
you love, you do look like a love girl.
I am. Yeah.
No, you do look like a love girl.
Yeah.
No, are you into like UNJ is adventurous, like lenza again, like it dates, ne? But most dates is comments is about okay, kuyabuya kuhlala etafuleni, ubone. But let's say it dates about see we into is adventurous.
I love it.
Basi
It's
quad
adventurous.
biking,
Yeah.
okanye paintballing, shooting, kubone zawo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the ways I'm is than is no etafuleni. Let's do something fun.
Yeah. Cause I feel like now, we can eat afterwards.
Yeah.
After, like, say we did something fun, at least like, yambisa nedash,
Yeah.
you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, ungathi into oyithandayo boss kuye so far.
Hayibo wena.
No, but for real, like,
Kalonga ixesha lakho seliphele baso ngase
Shona thela.
like, what would you say in terms like, oyibonileyo wena, if ungumno observer, like, what would you?
ucutie and you are well spoken.
Pretty boy.
There's I'm just trying.
It's humble.
What do you like that? Boy, I'm just trying.
From Sago.
Sango_Maslani has gifted
But, like,
1
I
subs to
enjoyed the
viewers.
conversation that I like had with you, this
Yeah.
quick interaction.
See.
Like,
So like what you would well spoken and what else?
Dribble ulwandle.
Hey.
Okay.
What I like about her is like because the way she just became herself.
Sango_Maslani has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So born if you are second round now.
Okay.
Thank you for your
Sure.
Ay, boy. It's fine. Happily. Hi, mom.
Are you to mama?
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
right. Right.
Bonba. I see. Like, how does a snowflake?
Min.
What's your name?
Asanda.
Asanda, ne? No,
Bana?
Sipo. Umlandetano haka, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Just like J.
Put your cup down.
Yeah. Friend.
Yeah, just like a friendly hug, if you don't mind. Like, nice to meet you.
It smells nice, ne?
So, yeah.
It smells nice.
Why is the commenter to?
Nah, they're more. I'm just let it cook.
Tula. The body skippers are just like made in 90s. Are you like 90s?
Yeah.
90s.
90s.
I'm telling Marvin Gaye.
But no.
I'm fine. Do you know Marvin Gaye?
I think that's in my K1, but saying you could feel good in your ass.
Okay, like,
Oh,
do you like into soulful? Do you listen to soulful music?
R&B, hip hop. Maskand.
Maskand.
Yeah. Yeah, what's Maskand?
Maskand, aye.
Or what?
I feel like, but.
There's a fag one, I mean.
Yeah,
Okay.
because like now the photo was like, what do you like? One, and a bit of your side as well.
Okay, true.
Yeah. Now at least you would also like my side.
So, so what's
I'm more into like old school minded. Yeah, understand? I'm more into like Oluta Vedros or Marvin Gaye, Lionel Richie. So yeah, those are my vibes.
Okay.
Yeah, soulful. But let's say Gqom. I feel like Gqom.
Yeah. Oh boy, it's called that bad.
Are you from Durban though? Because they move me a Kulum.
Peter Marisburg.
Peter Marisburg. Oh, I've never been to Peter Marisburg, but again I had that.
Peter Marisburg. You're right. You're right.
Is it like within the KZN or
It's a KZN.
within the KZN?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But from Shakamarino, how far is it? Like in distance? Because the last time I went
Good.
there,
Good.
it scared me 2 hours. So,
Because it lays on Peter Marisburg.
okay, but like what places would you recommend, let's say, to go to a Peter Marisburg or like a Durban?
Peter Marisburg. Khona le club ekuthiwa i-basement. Yeah, basement. La club i-nice, i-right.
Sure.
Inabantwana aba-right.
Sure.
I-vibe i-right. Because wonke even ama-artist akhona ase-Durban ayehla aye Peter Marisburg ayepha e-basement. So yona club ihamba phambili Peter Marisburg.
Sure.
Basement. Nezinye indawo phela zikhona yabo. It's-right, nice. Indawo zokuchilla.
Okay, so like uyajola if I'm else. Are you into a
I won't say
relationship?
ngiyajola. It's complicated.
It's complicated. How?
Very complicated.
Very complicated.
Very complicated.
Uncomplicated kaloku.
So ngikuchaza ukuthi kwenzakalani?
Like that ne singayichaza like at the later stage, but like since you like doesn't wena, and I feel like umntana nje uyodinga peace, and nami ndiza nayo peace.
Ne-peace wena?
Yeah, ndikaza ne-peace apha kuyo.
Ayicho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ndiyabheja.
Uyabheja? Nami ndiyabheja.
Oh, uyabheja?
50-50 in a relationship.
What's your take on that? What's your take? What's your take on that? What's your take? But like, personally, I know for no bad.
I know for no bad. Not like ukuthi ngiyakubheja isn't like ngiyakubheja. No.
Yeah.
Maybe nampela ngizawuthenga izinto ezincane bo.
Sure.
Yeah, like not every time ngiyareceive. Nami someday ngithi ayibobheka. Athi tissue.
Sure.
Go be nice and then stay out. Relax as umjid.
Okay.
Surprise ngithi basebona to shayela ama surprise. Izinto ezinice now.
What?
Ukwazi ukuchoma emajiteni.
Yeah.
Ngine cherry.
Yeah, yandriza gogo. Okay, no, it's cool. It's cool. I love. So, what do you look for in a guy? Let's say, what would you say you look for in a guy? Yeah, get through break, but like you know, if you not want a relationship.
About the question, because I won't say I'm type. I'm not type.
Okay.
Because I'm fun and I know what to do. So me, okay, fine.
Can't school, man.
What am I doing now?
Okay, that
Think about it. Do the theater still in
as long as we feel.
No, not to see young kids but I believe it's if I'm doing him like if you no. Okay, I'm having a Nama looks. Personality, but yeah, fun because I don't have a personality.
Sure.
Got that for the personality I have, but I'm so humble now in public.
Sure.
Do you think unazo too?
Yeah, we are qualified, you right. Okay, you right to share. Like perfect. Yeah, but my looks, personality. Share, it's giving.
It's giving there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I feel like we could choose to that. Yeah? Choose to that.
So far before into lethanayo kuye lo mjini. Nawe into lethanayo kuye so far.
What I like is like the way she's bubbly. Bubbly, not outspoken kakhulu, but right. I feel like the way I read, igathi unaso part of like umshado wakho ukubona.
I don't understand.
It's part of like taking care of you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, qabela for that.
She said okay. Yeah, she is. Yes.
Wena into lethanayo kuye.
Engithanda again. I feel like understanding. I'm trying to do style because I also have a style. So I like him to do style.
Style.
Style. I'm very style.
So you might like kapagapa.
I mean.
Jude for the body.
Ang nanyash. Ang nanyash. I saw the child.
No, it's not about the nyash.
No, it's not about finance. Like I'm not even looking at the national. I'm just looking at Kundo's the Hamalai. It's not true. It's not a compliment. I feel like a compliment.
Feeling California again, yeah.
What's on the pants?
Yeah.
No, but like I think kwagoku ngena ngivele ngatsale kapho ku same time. Oh, I was attracted by him.
Oh.
Askis man, dina imani lami yoba sometimes uyavela ubulokisha apha ku.
Okay. Angifuna ukukhuluma lezizulu esidiphi yabo ngizama ukukhuluma izizulu esisodwa.
Like the hood does come out of me. Hey, kanjani but yeah.
But yeah, ixesha lakho liphelile. So asiyazi uzofika ku round 2 or not. Kuyochonga kulo mfana. Sure.
Thank you for your time.
All right.
Yo.
Hi.
Hello.
Like the color of most of the pants, like the type of so like
Hello. Everyone.
right now. Yeah, no, so like yeah, when I figure out how like
Yeah.
it's just that like being an ally special ben moves ba ngubani so like lanje ukwazi like ngubani
Ngemisha nakawula. Hlale eParungo, but I'm from Eastern Cape.
from Eastern Cape.
Yes.
Okay, like this is so in up pick up
Education.
education.
Yeah.
So do you like have any family members
Yeah.
besides family like who's this education?
A cousin.
Never.
Cousin.
A cousin.
Yeah.
But if you're building up a London,
Yeah, Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape. Okay, who's still down in Eastern Cape?
PSG.
PSJ.
Yeah, what?
Uh-uh.
What happened?
Ndibasebenza ngobona umkhanzi emaseleni.
Oh. Yona lo. Senteli yaqonda so ba.
Yeah, ingase between iCofimvaba neMthatha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also ka for fiya dlula bo.
Yeah, usiqhutha pha
No. No.
oh ingqobo ne?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, no, do you know yanazi I don't think I introduced myself. Usipho. But teacher mzangu ngibiza Gomomo. Apha eKapa ihlala apha eBreckenfell. Yabo.
Nabo rich or G?
No man, ndingaphandle kwaloo nto but yeah ndihlala apha eBreckenfell. Okay, like kodwa mama into enzisa apha ne is like ndisandolanduza man kusuka kwinto enzima yabo as like a relationship so but okwangoku
Yeah.
I'm not looking for into nje serious. I'm just trying to find someone that I can click with, someone that's genuine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, tell me about yourself, bro. Like, you know, there's a time that's like, maybe, like, I might, if I'm not call him.
I'm so busy, but I go busy. I like to take a walk. I don't do adventurous.
Walk.
No, parking like for any parking. Or like to okay parking. No, that I'm like I don't mind. Yeah.
Oh, okay, like,
And
it's
we
called
have
the
a
park,
bar.
eh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you, next time.
KFC. Oh, you like food?
Yeah.
Yeah, good food.
We tell you like fast food or like
Yo, I fast food.
fast food. I'll tell you.
Yo, and done and I don't think there was.
But like, let's say for example, if we talk about the quality chance between me and you, I like those who was peg because I'm the peg.
At this I'm with the son.
It's not son.
Yes.
So be 50-50 basically. Is that what
Oh,
you're saying?
pegging.
Yeah,
Yes.
pegging.
Yeah. But we don't have to do anything, just like stand next to me then.
Okay, ladies.
Yeah. Just
Okay, chill.
yeah, I'm a bit bored and like, you know, all alone.
Okay. No, I go. Both like in terms of like ixesha lakho ne yeah, understand about the Swiss school
Yeah.
but up eKapa like have you been around Cape Town okanye I can show you around Cape Town.
Yeah. Not like into Zimbabwe.
Ndawo Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Zimbabwe. Like it's famous, you know. Not as in Zimbabwe.
Nje Zimbabwe ne.
So when you adventurous.
Adventurous ne. I feel like into endithanda uzenza izinto ezifana no quad bike
Yeah.
like ukhwela iscooter.
Yeah.
Nje la adrenaline. Yayithanda adrenaline.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I like to do all those things. Yeah, because just that you know, I like to when it is the outside table. But
Yeah.
obviously, particularly like what's okay, we go like, but then you seem to like, you know.
But like since you but like it's gonna be like uzobedi corner and then at least the man corner uzoba safe man uzoba
Yeah.
grand.
Yeah, what's good?
Ba.
Well,
Ukulwa.
yeah, fight.
Why funeke ndi?
No, ndiyabuza. In case I'm like in case we're gonna images of fighting whatsoever.
Ayibuza up.
Ayakwazi umtshini.
Buza up.
Akinvatsho lo
Buza up. Ayibuza up kwezi ayizithethe.
ayabetha umtshini. awubethi nithoze negun bethi isigane sendini bethe taka
Ngaphandle kodlala sasayijeka episode point imoto
Betha.
ethiwa nguye.
Betha this
Sabaleka sonke thina manje asuka depth amagonga sekhwantamini.
Hayi khasa ukugobisa
Yabona yamanya i6. Yaqhubeza one by one.
betha this salo kanye taka lekude
lesithatha phela usebenzise ngabo kwazi amanqandeni
Buza kuye ke.
Hayi like yabona into ezinje andithanda uziphatha manje yabo.
Oh.
But mina umuntu ndikhola nje ndimva apha emanqinini. Ndimva nje
Umtsofa nje.
nje man ubone iba ngilami noba lingaricochet njalo apha ebusweni bakhe yabo.
yeah at least
Yeah, that's just me. But ke you know uyabona mos kwalapha. Khona le
amagonga ayiqophi
yeah wathini
bamhlabeni ntanyeni amagonga
side vale story
Okay,
sayo.
before sivale ne. What do you like about him so far and what do you like about her so far?
I like him okay no ndithanda ngayo leyo uba he's so free like comfortable uthetha naye
Unjani mse?
no he's handsome tall handsome right
Ake dark god.
no light in complexion
Type zakho is
watch on what crime
dark
you love dark.
okunobulight nobudark but it doesn't matter but never dark too much you know?
Okay. Awuna dark basically.
yeah hey go with the phone
Wena into oyithandayo kuye so
and
far.
dress code very good
Ne?
yeah
But I man ndithanda like appearance yakhe. Yabo. I feel like even the short hair it suits her. Yabo. The short hair suits her so I like
Inqanga ukukhupha imali efakela.
yeah.
akazikweza yakhe
alone.
Sasa ndiyakhulisa
Lenzeni
ngoku,
leyo.
ndiyazikhulisa ngoku.
Yeah.
Into yosiba ndiyazikhulisa ngoku.
uzofakela
Okay, intoni ke ongayithandiyo kuye? Wena into ongayithandiyo kuye?
Yho, khona ndingayithandi.
zakhe potwane
Yho.
Sumba shy man.
No, like literally ndicingwa nto right now.
Okay,
Hayi.
sinayiyeka. Lipaphelile manje laphelile baba. Hayi, eliminate intwana yami. If akhetha ungikhalazi. Hayi, pretty boy. Ndinkosi potwana ngondiyeza. Okay boy. Hayi, intwana yami. Andiyazi. Mina sendifuna ube ngigqusa ngoku. So ingase ukhawuleze ukhethe. Ngoba baba bakhupha poison.
shana yeah ayibo ntombi ngiyakhola phansi yangigqwesele ntombi
Ide.
Hayi thandi.
ngigqwesele
Why unjoka kanje?
Tingakujoka.
alutshoka nemehlweni
Okay, like the reason why I see this level so like when Chilomos was but like okay, these all live forever you understand? Like they all kind of love in a way, but so you by eating what I zocela nje into endizithandeleyo nendingathanda ngapha. So first of all, it's being about into endizithandeleyo apha kuwe. So okay, sure. Intimidating, by the way, which is defined as a challenge in a way,
Why, John?
because like intimidating from
Mhle kakhulu.
so you living at say unapproachable, but at the same time the challenge kum yoba hayi man lo muntu approacheka man akhona ingakho, you understand? Yeah, yonke umhle yonke lonto into engayithanda is like a bit of awkwardness when you feel the calling between me and you, but maybe because now we're nervous, you know, so you too, so I ask get like
since iyoqala
yeah, since it was the first time, but yeah, I just feel like it would not happen at some point. Yeah, like zinto ezinje man, like zinto ezincinci, I think the personality ziyaclash. Yeah, and plus neno mhlambe like endizijongileyo endizifunayo out. Yeah, those are it. But otherwise umhle twempu ungafili down.
Yeah, right. Like I click.
ngiyasini kodwa nje ungalike force things
Like asincane ubone into ufostela izinto man. Yabo. Because I feel like energy ngase like ubone la noma ni align kubona ndike kathethi nje bekhona abantu ba
Connection.
yo you understand but other than that phofu wena zinto unongazithandi yapha
Isinamsebenzi.
yakala ay balikaba
Okay now.
Oh, mlakalathi bahayi sibalakala.
Noni yazbo
Idoni wena.
yazbo
Hayi bo.
Abonizile. Man born.
she's not
She's not an L when there's it's just that born. Bengafuni bengathi kuseyafuna.
like akowe like boy man kwayena mos ibi right lo yenza you know be grand hi
Chainsa
Come on.
mbe.
did you miss me Gee.
I
Yo.
don't need.
Yeah.
No, just
Yo, which means mosi I click on mos lo yet
I can't.
yeah
Aibo, ewe, ikanga.
yo ngata uya wena
Oye,
hmm
oye.
ngata uya because it's like I call la yo
Okay, oye.
Buzi kake, kaka wena.
can't you today ba
Okay.
exactly
Oye.
Utali bela kaje.
Kadeke masingo.
No. Kata mazamani pesa ngoya.
Ayikika kama simba ko ndiyake.
Era ufana tena mtego malwena. Joba pink.
oh
Ina uben prepare umuntu.
Keles man.
Kamncamezana.
No kumncoma, no.
Oh,
Yeah, but nice hands, nice hands.
ne
Amachira. They be lying.
Hayi xoka amantombi. Hayi xoka. Yakho uthoni walk. Uthoni walk.
Yakeni chat. Sifuni chat.
Akimba. Yes, lazula. Thatha bisipiti.
Masibuyele we.
Yo, hayi.
Undizele lo.
no ndimbizele into yoba yeah like umntana grand okay like quiet kakhulu man yabo and like kwa into yoba uthi ihobby zakho ukuthanda uwalka nohamba so hey like iswalkers yapi
No, I know it's healthy for good, like, you know.
Umuza mele Niyabona.
Not to be published, like, you know, just to, you know.
oh just like to ball
No, not just to walk, you know, not to be public space, not to grouping whatsoever, like just to walk.
like that you walk elwandle is that what you mean
Yeah, kanye, bona ulwandle, like, you know, yeah.
Okay no like umntana ograndi and I hope by it's like uzayifumana lewe that's for you newalk yakho but I on my side I think that's the only thing enter it off yeah but all in all according to Bitheni mhlambi like I would have gotten to know you better if I don't know if bekuthanza uvuma nami sithathe la off then maybe bizoba khona lephuma
This was
yeah bizoba khona lephuma but benzo prefer uhlale uhlale phansi
Ubone.
yeah
Okay.
yeah but like when if you khona into eraser towards me ongayithandanga you are more than
Yeah, complexion.
complexion eh
Yes.
yeah ish
Tani that guy.
uchile
Okay, please.
Yeah.
Tani that guy is understand the points.
Wawutoka mna ngena mkhize, ubuza mkhize.
No, child, and
Asinoba ngo-snowflakes babini, man.
Yes.
Yeah. But, yeah, no why. All the best, God will know me.
Njengoba ka-walk out.
Abanyanzelekanga man.
Man, so why, man? Yini into na yami?
Wesekuthanda kanjani thina?
Ufonela ulandu.
Hayi.
Abazothetha.
Nakulansi nje, man.
Simfonela.
All dark and some types out.
Yabuza.
Of course not.
Ngoba
Of course not.
What do you mean?
hayi ke ni
Hayi, no.
ngoba.
No. No, ndifundisa naye. Awuyandika.
Xabena.
Nina xabana.
No, like le nto ayisenzeka like
Nithetha ku-WhatsApp.
no,
Nithetha ku-Facebook.
no, asithethi.
Ke ngoba wayini xabena.
Xabana ni
No, asixabananga just that like mnandi no.
Asamfonela mo.
Xana ndimfuni ndingamfuni nje na.
Ah.
Okay,
Yes.
Let us not dwell.
Masingayi.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.
Let us not dwell.
Jano.
Abo wakhala lapha bani i-grills.
Kaloku wena ungichizi
So
nayo.
later on in house ufika ufumana i-grill.
Hi, sis. Put. Hi.
Oh, Asanda. Hello, yala mom. Ayizolo.
Angisafuni nokuphanga.
Yala mama kazi ekufonini.
Yeah.
Ne? Ngiyayithanda.
Ingoma yami musi.
Ngoma yakho.
Ingoma yami. Ikhuluma ngamalutho.
Yebo.
Shithi ngoma yami.
I feel like uzofundisa wena.
Ngizokufundisa. Ngizokufundisa umpetha la.
That's what's up.
Yabo.
Why nisibukela kwela cana?
Wesibukele nguye.
And ama-chair, ama...
Man,
Asikho lapho kodwa.
but yebo. So I liked the conversation yethu. You know, I feel like it was like on small waters at that time in terms of like just the basics as Anna and all of that. But I want to tap deeper, yabo, into like, okay, mhlawumbe like the side of you that could be icala mhlawumbe uthanayo that people don't know about, yabo. And lemibuzo engizoyibuza.
Awuzelanga grant oyi-check masondela.
Abavelanga friend.
Yo, vele uphusha umuntu omcela umcela.
Yeah.
And ngiphusha kabuhlungu.
Yeah.
Xolo, mistake.
Rough lo mfana. But anyways, let's say like, what's your body count? Or like, what should the body count be? Like what's your body count?
I think it's useless to tell the body count because it's on piggies.
I'm open. And these are piggies. I'm not gonna charge you.
1.
Okay. Alright. So like in terms of if you do meet someone, like let's say this happens and goes beyond this room now.
Okay. When how much your body count?
Me.
Yeah.
Does it too?
Nami ndazithuka benzayo.
Aye boy.
3.
Three. 3 boy.
Oh, the latest, okay, can you bring it?
3. And there's mhlawumbe like if it's not bad.
That is for a good day.
Uncle_B has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
Not bad.
Not bad.
At least 3.
Yeah.
You can work with that.
Yeah.
Okay. So in terms of like do you believe in the 90-day rule? Kubonelana, when you meet someone and then
More than 90 days because
okay,
yabo angithi ngiphuma kwaZulu
sure,
and kaZulu like lento yamantombi ukuthi amantombi ngilaziphathe kahle and stuff siyayilandelela.
sure.
This is why ngithi body count yami i-1 because ngikaphe eKapa
Sure.
ukufika eKapa and then
Oyini. Why ungaqala ngadibana nami before?
yabo because ngabe
Yebo,
Communicate.
ngabe uyinikele
Yeah.
at least
ubukuphi sonke lesikhathi.
bengicela kuphinde kuqalelwe then ndibe khona ke ngoku.
But it's fine.
Okay, it's fine.
So this is why body count yami i-1 because like sikholelwa ekutheni amantombi vele aziphathe kahle and stuff hamba umhlanga so nami ngihamba yonke leyo nto until ngize ngifike eKapa Kapa langona mfethu
eKapa but you know akunani man ayiwethu usilapha ngoku yabo so what like for wena do you think like in terms of like our relationship ne like sex is it very important kwela kuqala like since you chose is it like that way or can you be in a relationship umthando umuntu the same way and aba mhlawumbe noma ndibuza
no i-sex ibalekile mos
ibalekile ne
yeah
okay
I feel like ibalekile because iyasanelisa soyi-2
yeah so
kodwa not phela but
into
ibalekile
okay
ibalekile kodwa mangithi I'm not ready
alright
mangifuna 90 days kwena ngiyawufuna 90 days even if angisalona virgin ngilona but mangifuna 90 days ngiyawufuna
okay it's like it's a matter of when you just want to see how long
yeah
uzokungelela kangakanani
uyangithanda na angithandi uze ngani uyifunayo
okay no I reasonable reasonable so are you open to izinto ezifana ne-foreplay because like ngani foreplay yazi foreplay
why is ongani foreplay
like for me it's like actually couching ngenza umzekelo sihleli sibukele lo soapy and then mhlambe like ifike isuku daba wasecouchini qhabe ngisizala phansi siyaqhubeka siyasolumile like I'm into that also
uyayithanda ne
I'm open to that
awuzenenye
ngeke
ngeke khehla ngeke
but like like where's the fun in that though?
No it's fine angithi umuntu wami
yeah
so if ufuna sibetha thole class restaurant it's fine
not a restaurant I think
esofeni ngiphezu kwestove anywhere anytime
okay anytime is tea time
if umuntu wami but
kaloni
if uyayithanda wena angikho kuyona mina but if wena into oyifunayo leyo yabo ezokujabulisa wena as umuntu wami because indoda ngehle ngiphi into efuna indoda it's fine ngizothoba so it's fine
yo asencamsihlanje yo
This is not me.
That's a zero.
Yo. Hi. For me, like lento sanoyithetha ne, like mahle, yabo, and angcingile. So I like what you said. It's okay.
But now I like the fact that you like getting line for play ball because I'm imagine that.
They don't tap into that.
Hey,
Gaba la way afuna ke nje ku business. Hayibo ayinganyelo lana.
Ayinganyelwa nyana.
Ayinganyelwa.
I-right for play. I-right yabo. Uthenge labo ya
My handcuffs, yabo.
blindfolded you know.
So do you like what's happening here?
Now we actually say, no we tired.
I do.
Ne?
So you won't give him a chance.
Magwenzeka.
Hey,
Only time will tell, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, no, I don't know.
Say glow ka ndawo.
say clash nigga.
So,
I'm the hub.
Oh, Zabuz.
like, do you believe like uqala umbona umuntu ne? And
Love at first sight.
yeah,
I do sure.
you do
I
that.
believe in love at first because yenza umuntu umbone ba yo yabo lo yanga ngathi ngamluma.
Okay,
Yabo
so
wami.
Continue por only one solo.
Ngiyayibona inkosi.
Ay,
Yo, nathi kumluma.
Iba. Uzale pole
man.
valid.
Yeah, it's very
man.
okay. But
Uyakhala.
ngiyakhala ngiyakhala but ngiyakhala. Lokho umuntu yakhala ukhana wena.
Yakhalela na.
Uyakhala ne? Yabo, now uyakhala.
umkhalela nje
Umkhalela. Even though awuzumthola but okay ngiyamkhalela. Lapho uyazothi uzomthola. Iyenza akazokhalela.
bakhona la nto nje attraction yeah yo lo muntu wase
Ngimthanda wazi ukuthi okay it's fine. Ngiyamthanda but angizumfumana it's fine.
sure
Phod ba ngiyamthanda nje.
okay
Just get jiggy, bro.
No, but
Yeah.
okay, so like John and so busy, ne? And then Jay won't man. Because I feel like he hasn't been
Come on,
Someone's just boons.
Maybe if anything will be better and then.
If you win.
This dude gets sick.
Okay, Yima.
This person chill. El Latino.
I go. Who's wrong with you? Yeah.
Tell us soft, John.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, but was chat ba waka wa John ne.
Nekwethe.
Mna? Nope.
Uthi no chat.
Hi.
Hello, once again.
Once
Okay,
again. Okay, so like the husband basically we got to know each other about just like the basics, yeah, but see this time around I just want to get to know you on a deeper level, yeah, Jay, even though I hope we're open-minded, man, because like some of the things in those movies I hope it's not going to be offensive or
Okay, no
Yeah,
problem. Okay.
yeah. So like Apaku, how long do you think a guy should wait before 12 o'clock?
95-day rule.
95-day rule.
Yeah.
But let's say for example, we lean the location. Not that I'm saying I'm not like
Yeah.
you should not respect and if like
Mm-hmm.
but then it was like it's not what you expected, you know what?
And then say, yeah, Kagame.
Easy.
What was the what was the usual
What do you mean?
like
Yeah,
since
Miss,
the usual-
Dennis17 has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
W17.
200 ziyafika.
210.
I mean in the sense of like okay, we like I understand
Low-key,
from your
let's
side, yeah, but silindile yonke loo nto ne.
Mm-hmm.
But then it's not what you expected when it happens. How do you do you leave the guy immediately okanye like how do you leave the guy like
Bayisebenza isebenzi siyayeka, it's fine.
oh okay.
Yeah.
Uyamxelela
Hmm?
uyamxelela
Xhomekeka uba iphela njani, uba siyacommunicate na okanye ivele iyaphela.
ivele iphele nje
Yeah, vele zingathethi
okay,
iphele.
okay.
Sharp.
Okay, like what's your body count though?
Uzayithini?
No, I'm just asking.
Hayibo, uzawuyazi then what?
Just answer the question.
Like eyam ne qale yam
Nandifuna uyazi loo, but ungandixelela if uyafuna.
two.
Usho?
Hayibo.
Why won't believe?
Okay.
Nxa ngishida amachiro ibona.
Okay.
Uyajima.
Athena amachiro.
So
Focus.
Oh, I see. Anzuxelele yam because
Okay, no,
awuzenza.
it's
Okay.
I think unamashida buze body counts losers.
Because uzayithini?
Hayibo.
Uzawuyazi then what?
Hayibo.
yeah.
Yebo?
Lose umshini.
Eziyenza nto.
So, what would you like say? You rate yourself when out of 10?
9.
9.
Mm.
Okay.
What is the one for?
Wena undirayitha wena? U-1 zezi zinto endingekazi achieve, like zezi zinto endisafuna uzenza.
Why 9? Why not to 10?
Because 1 zezi zinto
Room for
endisafuna uzenza.
improvement.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
But one.
But like, I feel like you should just give yourself 10. 9. You 10.
Oh, thank you.
I give you a 10.
Thank you.
But now what do you rate yourself?
Wena umrayitha ntoni lo mshini?
A solid 8 because I'm just getting to know you. So lathungo ezi zinto ndisazozazi
Usafuna
ngawo.
uzazi, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. No, but so far so good. Like, I turn you for now.
Smash. Ndiyadlala.
Oh,
Ndiyadlala.
Smash.
Ndiyadlala.
Choose
Choose a wild girl. Yeah.
Onyasmeshiza omnitelo. Choose wise.
Good. It's fine. Awusiyeke.
Smash.
Ah, but smash.
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 Yabo bantu badlalelwe ads ngo. Subscribe bani ngasibona ads.
Yeah.
But kamnike ixesha kushintshe manje uyacinga uzokhetha ngobani.
Yeah, no worries.
Smash nine.
Uyadika bitches. Uyadika lo muntu.
So the conversation is finished. So it's look at the guy without you in the room ready.
All right.
We'll call you once we announce the winner.
Sharp.
The winner is the event that day.
All right.
Okay, but xa ngabe boyithuke ngoku akhona idea yethu kimi sebashiya ke like you guys want to talk again. The timer sinika i8 minutes. Niyathetha into zenu ngesawupass.
So well, it's one. But like I feel like from a right though, like ihlobo esinqobele ngalo. I like the conversation with even though mhlawumbe like yeah sure we just met yeah but so far I am liking what you said and like nehlobo ukuthi sangalo problem. So yeah, I'm on my side. I like what I see. So I don't know how you feel, mhlawumbe. I don't know, like kwezinhlolo whatsoever.
Mele ngikhulume manje. Like
Yeah, you can say what you want to say.
I feel like right.
Yeah.
Like right. Right for me, but not sure. Good.
Not sure why is it not sure.
Because I don't know.
Oh, is it
And
like
was because it happens.
okay, undazi ne in terms of deeper as by actually is that what you mean?
Yeah. Maybe ngizokubona as if like alright manje.
Yeah.
But ikhamba nesikhathi ethatha alright.
Like njani noma elaborate.
Like about manje awuzoziveza because awuzoziveza as in like ngumuntu onjani. Ngumuntu kanjani.
Yeah.
And then mhlambe ekuhambeni kwesikhathi mhlambe usu-comfortable and stuff and then bese ngiyakubona ukuthi ayibo bengicabanga ukuthi umuntu kanje
Sure.
but awusiyo umuntu kanje umuntu kanje
Yeah.
maybe
yeah,
sekuvele
yeah.
izinto engazithandi and stuff
Sure. I know. Yabona okay.
unless uzozichaza ukuthi no hayi
No, I feel like yabo like ibona is what you get yabo from my side and ngicimba uba mhlawumbe like kufanele ngizi-explain umuntu ngase like anibone and uzanibona ngehlobo endiphatha ngalo bani umuntu onjani yabo so okwangoku I feel like I'm just being myself
okay
yeah because I'm also comfortable yabo and nazo ke pick up lines ezininzi but I can pick you up at 9 though. Maybe like yazithanda dates ezinjalo like dates I hope you
obviously yeah if umuntu angathanda ama-dates
sure okay no I hear you buke wathatha into yokuba love at first sight like in terms of percentage wise ke when you look at me or when you see what you see what would you say in terms of percentage?
maybe out of 10 okanye
It could be out of 10. You could rate out of 10 as well.
I think 9.5
Count
asoze asoze
No, I agree. But like, let's say like if I would ask you for a kiss,
why a kiss
why a kiss? Because like you have beautiful lips and Jay, you know, maybe to see the connection by ERP.
i-connection yibona nge-kiss amaxhosa i-connection ayibona nge-kiss
No, not necessarily a kiss. But yeah, then if you open because kaloku buthe ngokuphakama ba okay maybe nyana like that's what you said so I'm going off plan limited yeah but Alright, okay, if I'll fully it's cool. And it's for stay.
Oh,
Hayi.
10
Yebo,
minutes baby.
it's fine. Asikho
Oh,
isitshalo.
hayi kaphe.
Oh. You won't in at the wrong time.